The capacity of a swimming pool is as 620 meter cube, correct, to 10 cubic meters. A. Calculate the lower and upper bands of the pool's capacity. B. Using Y, cubic meters, for the capacity, express the range of values in which Y must lie as an inequality. Solution. This phrase is very important. 10 cubic meters. It means that 620 is a number that is already expressed to nearest 10. That is just a simple information there. Now, 620, nearest 10, we have unit here, this is 10. So we are dealing with these two. Nearest 10. So once you see nearest 10, the error is going to be what? Error. What will be the error? That is plus or minus 10 divided by 2. You divide that 10 by 2. So we have plus or minus 5. Now we look for the lower band. Lower band. The original number we have 620. So this is going to be 620 here. 620 minus 5. Minus 5. Then meter cube. This will give us what? 615 meter cube. So this represents the lower band for the actual value. Now we also need to calculate the upper band. That's going to be what? 620 plus 5 meter cube. That will represent 6. That will be 625. Because 620 plus 5, that will be 625 meter cube. That's the solution for the A part. Using Y cubic meter, very important, for the capacity, express a range of values in which Y must lie as an inequality. This simply means we should express the range of actual values for the capacity of the pool. So in this case, we now have our lower band, which is 615. Then we have less than or equal to what? Less than or equal to Y. Because Y represents the capacity of the pool. So less than what? Strictly less than the upper band, which is 625. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.